How are you doing today?
I'm doing well, thank you.
What's your spirit animal?
Probably a cat, independent and curious.
What's one thing you're grateful for today?
I'm grateful for good health and supportive friends.
What's your favorite childhood movie?
The Lion King is my favorite.
Any phobias or fears?
I'm not a fan of heights.
Favorite way to spend a lazy Sunday?
Reading a book or binge watching a series.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one older sister.
Favorite subject in school?
English. I've always loved literature.
What's your favorite way to relax after a long day?
Watching a good movie with a cozy blanket.
Do you enjoy dancing?
Yes, especially at weddings.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
Mint chocolate chip. It's refreshing.
Any favorite childhood toy?
Legos. Endless possibilities.
What's your favorite holiday?
Christmas. The festive spirit is heartwarming.
Last thing that made you laugh?
Margarita. Simple and delicious.
Do you have a favorite childhood game?
Hide and seek. The thrill of hiding was always exciting.
Any exciting plans for the weekend?
Just taking it easy, maybe catching up on some reading.
What's your favorite type of flower?
Sunflowers. They single quotes ray.so cheerful.
If you could meet any historical figure, who would it be?
Albert Einstein. His mind was truly remarkable.
Favorite type of cuisine?
Italian. Pasta is my weakness.